Hi there. Remember how I said on the podcast on Monday that I would give you a tour of my homeschool, virtual school, crafting, multipurpose room? Well, this is it. We decided to make sure that this year both kids, when we moved into this house, we purchased one that had a room over the garage. So we have a huge room that is very multi-purpose. The kids are side by side so that they don't look at each other and have those "he's looking at me" kind of fights that I'm sure all of us as moms have had to break up at least 5 bajillion times. They're facing the wall so that I could actually put up some bulletin boards and different things. I have hung up some visual schedules, so to speak, that I am in the process of continuing to work around that will have little cards on them that tell them what lessons to do and what order to do them in, because that, of course, as we know, with our kiddos with autism and with ADHD as well, a schedule and knowing what order to do things in is very helpful. And it's also helpful if we have kids with executive functioning difficulties as well. They have their own headsets. If they have questions, they can turn around and look at me because my desk is positioned behind them. And I did it strategically because I learned that if they're beside me and I cannot see their screens, they kind of might want to go on to, Roblox or Minecraft when they're not supposed to. So I can look over and make sure that I can see that they are focused on the right thing. So that's what our homeschool area looks like, or virtual learning area looks like. I'd love to see what yours looks like. Send us a picture at info@myspectrumlife.com. And don't forget to make sure that you watch the video on Friday, in which Kelsey is going to be talking to us from her school. And make sure that you subscribe and like our videos and leave us comments. Join us on the Friday and then on our podcast next Monday.